Macele is determined to actually show the other wives gore ha nna ke kgonne go le amogela into this type of setup. What about you not wanting to accept Umakwela? I will accept her, and after I accept her, everybody has to do the same, because why not? I accepted each and every one of you, and I felt the pain. Despite all of that pain, I still accepted you. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe and like the video. Now let's talk about Macele and Samke Kwela. Macele is busy saying Samke must never say she's her friend, blah 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 blah. But Macele is so invested in this girl. Like, you can see that there's a motive behind this investment. She's so invested. She's doing everything in her power to show the other wives gore. Actually, when I was hurting, accepting you, now it's your turn to hurt and accept Usamke. Get over yourselves and pull yourselves together, and let's welcome Umakwela into the family. She ain't going anywhere because, hey, she's already pregnant. She has a child by now. As we can see, everyone is at sea park. Family ha Samke, family ha Macele, bona gathering a very, we've never seen Samke wearing braids on this season, so it means these are private affairs for sure. So Samke is so welcome. She's so welcome, especially on Macele's side. Macele has made sure her girl has settled in pretty well, and by now Samke has a child and apparently allegedly is pregnant again. So for those people who say Macele is so trying to make the other wives very uncomfortable by welcoming Umakwela with warm hands and be so hands-on, she's doing it on purpose just to, squeeze the life out of the other wives because they are not willing yet to accept Umakwela. For those people who are saying that, I am now starting to believe you, because I don't think Macele is doing it for the love of it. She's doing it for as much as I accepted all of you, Nani, you should accept her and bear your pain. Just take your pain and put it aside, and let's welcome somebody that our husband loves. She's trying to show them, Hore, it's not about you. It's not about you. It's not about what you want. As much as Mbali said, now she's divorcing because number 5 is coming in. So basically, Makwela is welcomed by Macele all the way, and the Abahamba Bahamba song has been sung by Mtumbeni, meaning Macele is also singing it along. But Makwela thing, there's nothing you can do about it. Even though Mayeni once said she is ready to welcome Makwela, she's not done so yet. We've not seen any video apart from the show that indicates otherwise. So we're just gonna believe Khorle, and she's still as sour as everybody else. Makumalo has a good heart, guys. Soon we're gonna see her, after she prays about this whole thing, we're gonna see her welcoming Samke and saying, you know what? If my husband loves her, why must I not? That's just how Makumalo is. Makumalo is one of a kind. As for Mangwabe, guys, we all know Mangwabe ke Mangwabe, otlaphelele Mangwabe, ukasimudire sipe. So yes, it is what it is. Samke Kwela is in, and Macele and Samke are close, guys. I just wanted to share how they are having private affairs that look very cozy and very intimate and very special, We've seen these two doing spa massages. We've seen these two doing a lot of things together. They did not stop at the show. They're continuing even without cameras. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and I will certainly see you on my next upload. Kindly subscribe and like the video. See you soon.